So I decided I wanted to go snorkeling today, and I've gone to a place called Sky Reef in Cozumel. Our ship is docked just a few kilometers down the way. I ended up with a cab here, and you could snorkel right off the pier, and so it was really quite convenient. You can see people snorkeling right here. The water wasn't really very deep. There were lots of little fish. Saw an octopus and lots of fish. And our ship, the Sky Princess, is right over here.